So guys, quick one here. This is our Ember app, right? I have made a video before on how to join a tournament and how to make money from it. I don't know why some individuals are not getting it. Now just watch this one, watch it to the end, okay, and you get the clear picture. Now this is it. This is what we are mining, right? This is what I have mined so far, right? Why this is where we click on to mine. This page that is counting down. After the countdown, you will see the button that pops up to mine, right? Now this one you've mined here. Now this one you've mined here. It will be your withdrawal fee when you want to withdraw your BTC. Hope you understand. This is where they will deduct the withdrawal fee from. That is why you have to keep mining every day, right? Now, if you want to join a tournament, if you want to make money, you want to make BTC, how to make BTC from this app, right? Click on this play, right? You can see this free for all. This free for all here. Okay, you can see free for all active. There's another one. There's another one passive, and this is it. Free for all passive. You can see the two. It's like this still the same. Still remain one. You can see that too. So first of all, click on this active first. So you can see. So you click on this enter tournament. To enter the tournament, click on continue. Some ad will pops up for like 30 seconds. You watch the ad, right? Let me pause the video. Now after the ad, this will pops up. Now you have to choose any coin here. Choose like five coin that is pumping. Choose one that is pumping. Should you understand? So after the countdown, after you can see the time counting down when you want to choose the passive, right? So after the countdown, you'll be rewarded. Okay, they will share some tiny percent for you. Sure you understand? Now you can see all this one pumping now. See this one now, synthetic network. See this one, it's pumping. This total land, you can see it's pumping. You just choose it, select it, scroll down again. Just choose one that is pumping high. This one is +7. You choose this one too. Okay, you choose one that is pumping high. Don't choose one that is going low. Choose one that is going high. Right? How many do you choose? That's still right. Choose this flow too. Right? Let's choose this render too. No, this one is 12.7. Minor protocol. That is it. You then click on save. Then click on save. That is it. You are done with that one. Then go to the second one. Second one, this one too. You click on it. Okay, you enter the tournament, continue. All right, so look for the one that is pumping as well and choose one. This one is pumping. This one is 26.6. this stack is 26. You can see minor protocol, render, avalanche, save. So that is it. Okay, that is it. So that is it. Don't choose all these ones. Oh, don't go for all this one. Just leave all this one. All this one are not free. All this one are not free. Don't go for all this one. Okay, this is one you go for. This is one you go for. This free for all passive and free for all active. Right? And free for all passive here too. Okay, that's the three that you will go for. Sure you understand, because they are free. So all these ones here. All these ones here, they are not free. Don't enter them. Hope you understand. So just as simple as that. So you can see the time counting down now. After this counts down now, it will pops up again for you to do again. So after the counts down, they will share your profits for you. Sure you get. So if you then click on this profile here now, okay, you'll see your money here. You can see what I'm having, $7, right? So if I click on this place now, let me show you how much I have withdrawn before. This place here, you can see what I received 14 days back. You can see what I received and what I withdraw. We can see it 13 days back. I have withdrawn once, and this will be my second withdrawal loading. Okay, if you want to withdraw it here, or don't worry, when it's time for withdrawal, I will make another video. I don't want this video to be too long. So I hope you guys understand. Make sure you are mining every day. Make sure you are mining every 24 hours, because this thing you are mining here is what we use. Your Satoshi is what we use for withdrawal fee. I hope you understand. So to join the tournament, click on play and click on join the tournament, the passive free for all, okay, and the passive active. You join them, okay, choose the coin that is pumping, and that is it. All right, you'll be seeing your BTC, you'll be seeing it here, your dollar will be here. Okay, just as simple as that. That is just it. So make sure you partake every day, every blessed day. Right?